All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 platforms that I have used in the past for trading, whether it was day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. So we're going to go through each one and talk about the pros, maybe some cons, and what I think the platform should be used for. Obviously, you can try to day trade on Robinhood, but in my opinion, that's a bad idea. So let's jump in and see what platforms are good for day trading, swing trading, long-term investing. So right off the bat here, we'll talk about Robinhood. As you guys know, I'm using this platform as a long-term strategy. In regards to their charting, there's just not enough information here to be doing day trades. You have a chart. Yes, you could maybe do candlesticks, but in my opinion, that's just not enough information. You know, as far as like the research in Robinhood that they offer, even with gold, it's really just not enough to make those kinds of decisions, in my opinion. I think you could maybe successfully swing trade on this platform if you were holding stock for a couple of days, but then you're just kind of like bag holding at that point to hope that the stock goes up. So there's just not enough information here, in my opinion, to do day trading. Now, you can use Robinhood for things like airline stocks where you think they're going to recover. Not sure exactly when, so you just buy it now. Maybe it recovers tomorrow. Maybe it recovers in 5 years. So it's a good platform for those kinds of trades, but again, not the best for day traders. So moving on to the next platform, Emlyn Finance. This is definitely built for dividend investors in mind. They have auto invest features. Basically, the whole idea here is that you do all the legwork in the beginning, choose what companies you want to buy, set the target percentages that you want for your diversification, and then pretty much just leave it at that. You submit your weekly deposit or whatever it is, and then they'll buy the stocks as the amounts come in during their trading windows. Now, there's only 2 trading windows, and that's if you pay for M1 Plus. So obviously, day trading on this platform is not going to work. It's, I would say, impossible. So even swing trading, I mean, it's just really difficult to even sell on this platform, in my opinion. So this is pretty much built for the buy and hold strategy. And I would just pretty much leave it at that. If you're going to be doing trading, don't do it on this platform. Now, this platform is also free to use, and they have fractional shares, so that is a benefit there. Again, built with the incentive of dividend investors, and then obviously those dividends can buy into fractional shares. So it's really powerful if you don't have fractional shares on Robinhood yet. That is why I actually tried Emlyn Finance for that feature. So that wraps that up. And the final one is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. So this is also free. I think they do fractional shares. I'm not 100% on that. I've always bought and hold shares when I tried day trading on this, but look at all this information here. There's so many charts. This isn't even all of them. These are just the ones I have. I have an RSI indicator. I have the MACD. I have 2 different SMA lines and candlesticks, obviously. So on top of that, this is in real time. So every movement you see here is happening right now. It's not like Robinhood where it's 15 plus minutes behind what's actually going on. So even if you try to do a sell on Robinhood, it's not even going to give you the amount that you're trying to get because, again, it's behind what the actual market's doing. So I've actually lost money trying to do that on Robinhood. It's not going to work for you. You need a platform that offers real-time data, which Thinkorswim does. So why not do that? If you're day trading, you should be on a computer anyways. Yes, Thinkorswim has a phone app. I think there's way too much information here to easily move through the app on the phone and get done what you want to do. Highly recommend doing this on a computer if you can with multiple monitors. It's way easier. But with that out of the way, I have successfully made money on trades here, just kind of watching how things are trending. You know, there's so much you could talk about here, like it's crazy. But if you're interested, Thinkorswim is free. I'm going to leave links in the description for all 3 platforms. Don't start day trading until you know what you're doing. And what I say, or what I mean by that is, you know, if you're going to download a platform like this, understand what all these charts mean before you start throwing money in. You can actually paper trade with this platform as well, so that means you're just using fake money. Pretty much any financial YouTuber that is sharing knowledge about the stock market will tell you to paper trade before you do any investing, just to kind of learn how it feels and all that. Obviously, without real money attached, you're not going to have as much emotion, but it's just good to play with things like that and kind of learn how different things work as far as like market buys, limits, maybe trying to predict a pattern just to see if you really should be putting your money into it. So that's pretty much it for the video though. We talked about Robinhood, Emlyn Finance, and TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. I'll have links for all three in the description. If you want more details about any one of these, I can always make a video and really go through each one if you want. Just let me know. I'm always happy to make videos for you guys on anything I know about. But yeah, let's just leave it at that. I will see you in the next one.